In this explanation video, I'll show you why anyone who has a home mortgage should consider refinancing to a myDomaine money-back mortgage. With combined credit and financial advice, you could wipe years off your home loan and save thousands in interest. How would you like to save $700,000 and take more than 12 years off your home loan? So firstly, what is a money-back mortgage? So let's apply a money-back mortgage to a case study. David and Sue own a home with a mortgage of $422,000. They have household income of $100,000 a year, but have little to no savings. Currently, it will take 30 years for them to pay off their mortgage and end up costing them more than $1 million, including the $588,000 in interest costs their bank will charge them. Refinance to a money-back mortgage, our advice fee was added to their loan, meaning David and Sue had no out-of-pocket expense. Let's take a look at how they are simply better off with a money-back mortgage with 100% of the broker commissions rebated back to them. We'll assume the same loan term and the same interest rate. By refinancing their principal and interest home loan to a money-back mortgage, David and Sue are simply better off, with 1.8 years taken off the term of their loan and a $39,388 saving in their interest costs. That's a great start, and they are simply better off, but they still have 28 years to go before they're mortgage-free. The problem remains. David wishes to retire in 20 years. That's 8 years before they'll have their mortgage paid off. This will mean much of their superannuation will be relied on to pay off their debt. For all their hard work, David and Sue will be reliant on the pension. So here's where clever financial planning advice comes in. Enter myCache Financial Clarity. With their myDomaine advisor's guidance, our myCache strategy and the digital tools helping David and Sue with their cash flow and budgeting, they now can save a further $500 every month, all without any change to their lifestyle. David and Sue will now pay their home off 12.4 years sooner and will save a massive total of almost $290,000 in interest costs. With more than 12 years taken off their loan term, David and Sue's mortgage will be paid off before David retires. More so, they will have 149 months during their working years with no loan repayments. That's a further $418,000 saved in real after-tax dollars. Now, with total cost benefits of nearly $700,000 to save, spend, and invest, David and Sue really are now simply better off. To learn more about our money-back mortgages and myCache Financial Clarity, visit our website, simplybetteroff.com.au, or call us on 6380 9400.